honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, I have a really fun video for you guys today. Now, I need you guys to pay attention, because even though this video is going to be Valentine's related, it's not going to be part of the Valentine's Day series, okay? So I decided on my last video, on my first video for Valentine's Day series, I talked about how I'm thinking of doing something different for you guys, and I'm thinking of an idea on what I want to do a little bit different this year. And so what I'm going to do is I'm still going to do the Valentine's Day series, obviously, but in between the series I'm going to be throwing you guys little videos here and there, showing you how to turn your Christmas stickers into Valentine's Day. I thought it would be fun to do. I have a few videos that I have in mind that I want to show you guys, and I definitely am excited to do this little mini series for you, okay? So we're going to be running 2 series this year. We're going to be doing the Valentine's Day series, which is a normal one that we do every year. And then we're going to add in another series to that. So I think you guys are going to really love it. I think it's exciting and fun. And I think you're going to really enjoy being able to use your Christmas stickers into the Valentine's Day, okay? All right. Enough talking. Let's get started. So this is the first video that we're going to create using the Christmas stickers and turning them into Valentine inspired. So what Christmas sticker am I using for this particular tutorial? Let me show you. I thought I had it nearby and I don't. Where did it go? Where did it go? Okay, here we go. Here we go. I have a few here that I have working with. Okay, the first one we're going to do is going to be the red truck, right? The famous red truck sticker for Christmas. This sticker is so famous. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have tons of these, okay? And I'm pretty sure if you guys are Christmas sticker lovers, probably also have tons of these. How I got the idea is Michael has really awesome stickers for Valentine's Day with a little red truck that's included in the Valentine's Day sticker collection. And so I thought to myself, you know what? I'm going to definitely make this Valentine inspired. I can do this. We can all do this, okay? So I didn't buy the sticker, which I love, which I'm probably going to buy anyway, but I didn't buy it because I figured I can do something similar at home. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how I turn this really fun Christmas inspired sticker into Valentine's Day, okay? And this is the actual embellishment that we're going to create. It's going to be a really fun red truck with hearts coming out of it. Technically speaking, you would have the tree that is, you know, the Christmas part of it, but since we are doing Valentine's Day, we're going to remove that and we're going to add the hearts, okay? Very simple, very simple. All right, let's do this. You ready? Yes? Good, let's go. Okay, so my sticker is here, and what I did with my sticker is very simple. I peeled very carefully off the truck and I left the tree behind. Okay, you see the trees there? I left those trees behind. I'm using only the truck. The trees you can use in another video, or another tutorial, maybe like for Christmas or something else, okay? And we're going to add this gorgeous little truck to our little circle. All I did was I took some papers. I think I used the paper from Target last year, which is this one. And I just created a circle with my punch, okay? Here's my punch. That's all I did. And that's how I got this circle, okay? So simple. Very, very simple. Let me put you closer if I could. So I'm going to add the red truck right in this area right here of my tag. I have my hot glue here. Add a little bit of hot glue. And we're gonna put the truck right in that area of the circle. Okay? Boom. That's done. The next thing we're going to do is very simple. If you guys watched my first video from the Valentine's Day series, I talked about this sticker there. And I'm going to talk about it here as well. I'm using the sticker pad that I got at Walmart last year, which is this one right here. Okay? And I'm going to use the hearts that come in this sticker pack, which is, let's use this one that says X and O's. And I'm going to add the heart right over the truck. See that? And then we're going to add 3 more little hearts on top of that. Okay? Very simple. I know. This is super duper simple. I love this new series because nothing gives me more satisfaction than using stickers that are just sitting there and they're beautiful, right? Like they're beautiful, but you want to use them for other things and you just don't know how. Okay. And I don't know what I want to name this series, but I guess by the time you guys watch this tutorial, you will know. Okay. I love this. This is so cute. Look how cute this looks. Oh, I love it. Okay. Beautiful. I love it. Okay. So let's put these away. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add Happy Valentine's Day, right? Because obviously we need to have some kind of little Valentine's Day sign. So I am super duper obsessed using this paper. I think I used it last year also. And this paper pad is, let me see which one is it. I think it's called Cupid's Arrow. Yes, it's this one right here. Okay, and in here you have this really awesome paper that has the words Valentine's Day all over it. Like this one, see? This one right here. I love it. What I do is I cut the strips out and then I cut the wordings out so I can use them for projects, okay? You have the red and the white, and then in the back you have the darker color. But I love the red and white, okay? That's what I'm using, and I'm gonna use for most of my tutorials, probably this, because I just love the size and I just love how it looks, okay? So that is the same thing I did for these little embellishments, okay? I cut the word Happy Valentine's Day, okay? I cut it out, okay? And then I got this. You can see there, I know it's tiny, but I got that. And then what I did with the wording, I just put dimensions on the back. Okay, so it can lift a little bit when you add it to the embellishment. Okay, very simple. So let's add our little wording to our embellishment. I'm going to add happy right there. And I'm going to add Valentine's Day right at the bottom. Right at this bottom right here. And I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this embellishment, guys. So freaking cute. Look at that. How cute does that look? Oh, yes. How freaking adorable is that? Now, you can keep it this way if you want, but I'm not going to do that. You know me. You know me. I got to make it special. Special. Okay, so what am I going to do to make it special? Bam! You guys know how obsessed I was about these for Christmas. These are Christmas picks, okay? And you guys, if you guys follow me, you will know that we use a lot of these picks for a lot of projects, especially for Christmas, okay? So I still have these picks. I love them. I am super duper in love with these picks. They come in gold and they come in silver. And obviously I got a whole bunch of these because every time I go bring them out for Christmas, I always grab a whole bunch, okay? So I'm going to use this to incorporate in our little red truck embellishment, okay? Now, if you don't have something like this, don't go crazy. It's not the end of the world. Guess what you can use? Guess what you can use? I wish you can I can pause this and I can hear everybody say, I know, Jenny, I know. We can use cupcake liners. Yes, my friends. If you don't have something like this, go and get a cupcake liner and use it. Use it. And that's it. Okay. How are we going to finish this off? We're going to add some dimensions on the back of this beautiful circle. I'm going to add 2. 1 on each side. Whoa. 1 on the bottom and 1 on the top. That's what I meant to say. Okay. And this dimension is going to give your embellishment a nice lift. Okay. So let's glue this baby down. I love this truck. Okay. And I'm going to glue this down right there. Beautiful. And I'm going to finish it off with a double heart. Ay, que lindo. Double heart. Beautiful. Okay. These double hearts are from Target. I got these last year. They come in like a bag of like, I don't know, 1 billion pounds of hearts and like other little cute things, okay? So that's what I'm using. And I'm going to put these beautiful heart right in the corner over here of my little embellishment. And we're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. And that's it, babies. And that is how we create this beautiful, beautiful, simple embellishment for Valentine's Day. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look how gorgeous that looks, guys. And you can actually, now remember, my projects are so interchangeable. Would that be the word to use for this? You can use this however you want. You can use them as a tag. You can use them as an embellishment. You can use them as a wand. You can use them as a cupcake topper. You can use them as an ornament. You can use them for whatever you want, okay? So that is what you're going to get, my beautiful crafty friends. Isn't this cute? I love it. I mean, look at this truck, how adorable it is. I just love it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this new series that I am going to bring to you guys. I have a few more ideas, and I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about this idea. I will see you guys on my next video. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for returning. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for everything. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you guys on my next video. Please be safe, and please be careful. Love you all. Bye.